let's rip open this Garbage Pail Kids. Series 1, 1985. Whoops, sorry about that. So I got it online, bought it from this dude. I think it was like 22 bucks, 25 bucks, plus shipping. I don't know what this void if removed means, probably nothing. It's probably just to hold it in place. But I think these are like tamper-proof. Like you can't like really reseal these, open them up and then reseal them, but who knows, maybe they can. Let's open it up though. Let's see what we got. All right. Well, I think I'm gonna get a pair of scissors. I gotta say, this pack feels really small and not real. Like it feels really small, almost like they're mini, but they're not. It's very eerie kind of feeling. This came out in 1985. Let's see what it says here. Ingredients, I guess that's just for like the gum and whatever. All right, we don't care about that crap. Right? Yeah, we know. And this says ingredients again. All right. Let's see what we got. Look at that. Whoops, I'm sorry. Look at that. So I just went like this. And look at this. It's already been opened up. Or that just came out on its own. I don't know if there's a way to like, maybe they tried to peek in here and they just saw that this was the only one. Let me move this down. But yeah, so this is it. And I go back here and this is already, now that top part, I don't think they can alter. Oh God, these are mini. Am I retarded? Excuse my language. I guess I didn't know they were mini when I bought them. Whoops. Okay, here we go. Itchy Mikey. Slimy Sam. Followed by a... Is that only one in there? Yep. Okay. Followed by a Junk Food John. Nice. And a Rundown Rachel. That's pretty good condition. Literally packed fresh and the corners look sharp as can be. So that looks pretty darn good. Like they're definitely gradable. Let's see this one. Junk Food John. Oh yeah. See how nice the corners are? Centering is, I mean, maybe just a fraction off on this one right here. Slimy Sam looks pretty dang spot on. Maybe a little bit more left to right. And Itchy Mickey, Itchy Mikey. Icky Mickey? Cool. I did not know these were minis when I bought them. I was just like, oh, okay, cool. I thought I would take a gamble. Well, come back next time and I think I'll open these. How about that? Let's do that.